Good morning. So it is well, afternoon now, Wednesday, and today we're actually heading up to Nanaimo because we've got some jobs to do there today and tomorrow. But we're helping out Alex, who lives in Duncan, so we're just at the stop on the side of the road. He's got some loose wheels for us, and we talked about it briefly on our Mexico trip, but we bought this Jackery box. And we're powering the whole truck off of it. How's it working?
So far, so good. Can you get more air to beat it up with the valve core out?
Yeah. Okay.
It just gives you a bit more volume back.
Lagoon in Nanaimo. I don't think I've ever been here before. It's a bit windy.
Between jobs, thought we'd go for a walk. Yay! We found our new home. There's only one question I have, and who's gonna light the fuse? Shot out of rocket time, or cannon. There we go. Hey.
Second job of the afternoon.
Oh, it's only a 260. I thought it was a 300.
Yeah, 250 off.
We got to go to Italy. We got to go to the Italy test track. The Italy R&D research, their giant research development warehouse, like building. It's bigger than the warehouse for building tires.
Wow, that's fantastic.
And yeah, they showed us all the different, like all the behind the scenes stuff. And that's when robot tires were just kind of a nightmare. So I dodged that bullet, but luckily.
Nice.
It's a perfect step. We're barking up a tree. The throttle position sensor, which the code reader said was no good, is throwing funny numbers. We have a replacement. We'll see if it's the fix. Might be, might not be. Time for the R plate.
I'd maybe reconnect your cooling fans first.
Yeah. Well, doctor.
I'm good at cars.
You're good at everything.
Not everything. That's all reconnected to the fans?
Yeah. Well, guys, we're about to leave young Oswald here. He's got a huge house back here. He's got a whole half the bus. We're only gonna be gone for a few hours, and we're going up island to the Island Motorcycle Company season opener, hopefully to catch up with a bunch of friends we haven't seen in a long time. It's a social. On our way. For gas, and Steve came over and said hi. He actually watches us on YouTube.
Never miss it.
I didn't know who these people were. I didn't know if it was they were just robots. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you bet. Enjoy your day.
Ciao. Well, that felt like the first time we've ever had a fan actually reach out and say hi.
Very cool. Sorry, Ian. Your name's Ian. Scott thought it was Steve.
It's your buddy Steve. My bad. I'm not gonna fill up.
I think that service truck might have a zap strap, but
Might have had a what?
might have a zap strap, but it's just idling there. There's nobody inside.
Hey, look, a house payment.
Right into the.
Sorry? Just quickly through the pan here.
Yeah.
Well, I hope she was okay.
Broken wrist. Just a broken wrist. Over the years.
There's a moment worth catching.
Oh, here we go.